Can AI really beat Wall Street? Can an algorithm outperform the smartest traders in the world? You're watching Macroniq, where we make sense of money and markets. If you're curious about the future of finance, hit that subscribe button and join the first 100 minds shaping this channel. Algorithmic trading isn't new. Hedge funds like Renaissance Technologies and Citadel have been using AI and math-based models to beat the market for decades. But now, it's not just the elites. Tools like ChatGPT, Bard, and even free stock bots are giving retail investors a taste of Wall Street's secret weapon. Can AI consistently outperform humans? In 2023, JPMorgan's AI-powered ETF reportedly beat over 60% of human-managed funds. But before you hand over your wallet to a robot, AI lacks context. It can't read emotions in the market. It doesn't feel fear or greed. Yet. That's both its greatest strength and its biggest flaw. So, will AI replace traders? Maybe not all of them, but the traders who don't use AI, they might get left behind. In the next decade, AI will be a co-pilot, not a captain. Wall Street is changing fast. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, subscribe to Macroniq for more sharp, simple finance breakdowns. This is just the beginning. Be part of the first 100 and tell us in the comments, would you trust AI with your investments? Why or why not?